I'm trading my regular Ray-Ban glasses for my Meta Display AI-enabled glasses, and I will tell you why that is. By the way, my name is Luqman Branding, and just in case we're meeting for the first time, I'm a multiple seven figures digital marketing agency owner, and you might be wondering why should you care about why I'm trading my regular Ray-Ban glasses for my Meta Blu-ray glasses? Well, it's the same reason why I'm going to be showing you how we are going to scale one product to over $1 million within the next 11 to 12 months. Okay. And I'm going to be using AI to do every single thing. As a matter of fact, the landing page you're seeing right here on the screen is a landing page we're going to be using to offer business owners AI services. And I will show you every single details from the landing page that we're using, the emails that come in the back end, and what we change each and every week. So we're going to be doing a recap of every single month, how much I spend on ad, how much lead I was able to generate, and how much email was able to bring us as well. Because if someone tells you that they can make $1 million on a product without showing you all this process, well, that just seems like a story. But in my own case, I want to be very practical with you. And just in case you get value from this, I want you guys to click on the subscribe button, and do not forget also to hit that like button and share this video if you must. Listen, if there is any opportunity right now for anyone to make millions of dollars online, I believe without a single doubt, and based on what I'm going to be showing you, and someone who scaled multiple business to over 7 figures again and again and again, it is AI. And when I say AI, I'm not talking about using AI to draw a caricature video of yourself or images or just paste it online. Well, you can do that as well if you know what you're doing, but that's not going to get you there fast enough. But the one that you can do that will get you there not only fast enough, but also ensure that you have recurring income is understand how you can use AI to generate money, okay, for business owners, right? Listen, business owners will pay you for the rest of your business life if you understand how to help them make money as well. And that is why in this video series, I'm going to be showing you videos every single week, what we do right, what we should have done better, and how we enhance on our wins. And of course, double down on things that we find that work, and of course, do without those that are not working. That will allow me to scale this particular funnel right here to over $1 million in the next 12 months. $1 million. Okay, that's not a joke. Okay, I've done this again, again. But I want to show you one of the ways I'm going to be giving value to you is to show you how you can do it as well. And at the end of each video, just in case you want to join my AI agency, my 7-figure AI agency blueprint, where I show you how you can start your own AI agency by using AI to help small businesses and sometimes big businesses as well make a lot of profits using AI. If you want to join that mastermind, you're free to join. You can see the link below. Click on the link, come on the mastermind. Let me show you I'm going to do it. But just in case you don't want to be bothered by that, well, you can as well just watch these videos that I'm going to post in here each and every single week. Okay, this video will not only help you if you're an agency owner, if you're someone who's just starting out, maybe you've done something in the past, you've done, you've tried to do your own social media marketing agency that does not work for you. You try Shopify, you try affiliate marketing, none of those things work. I can understand. I've been there. Before I got to the point where I start making millions of dollars online, I went through all of those as well. And I'm not going to lie to you. It's just each and every one of those failures just made me a better person, make me stronger and a better business owner as well. And that is why I'm able to teach someone like you what not to do, so they can get to your result fast enough. But basically just give you a blueprint that works, okay? And that is what you're going to be exposed to in this video series as well, where I'm going to be showing you exactly what we do every single week, how much we spend versus how much we make every single week to build this particular funnel to over $1 million in 12 months. Okay, to start with, the services we're going to be offering, okay, we're going to be going after very high paying niches. As a matter of fact, if you want to have just an idea of what those niches are, these are niches that are already spending money on ads, right? And they're spending money in the process. And they're more concerned about their bottom line than they're concerned about just showing up online every day, just, dancing and twerking. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? Like the ones on, Instagram and TikTok sometimes. But these businesses are serious about bringing in cash, and they will pay anyone who's helping them achieve this goal. And that is where you make money as well. If you're the guy who helps them achieve their goal, guess what happens to your goal? You achieve your goal as well. So we have about 100. I have a list of about 100 different niches that we're going to be going after, right? We already started. I'm going to show you guys January results right now, how we price all our services and how much we're able to make in January. Okay, because if you have to literally make $1 million a year on one product, few things you have to do. Number one is this: you have to make up your mind that I want to make $1 million a year on this product. That is number one. Number two, you figure out if I must make $1 million a year, then how much do I have to make every single week, right? Every single month to start with. Every single month you've got to make at least $83,000. Okay, and in that case, $83,000 means the front end and the back end of our funnels, everything has to equal nothing less than $83,000 or more. And I should let you know, some month may not necessarily be $83,000, and some month will just be way more than that. Okay, and that is why you have to follow the rest of my videos to see how I am doing every single thing that I'm doing to ensure that this goal is achieved. Here's the deal. Let me start by showing you the structure of this landing page, because that's where a lot of people get it wrong. Because when you're running ads, in this case, we're going to be making use of Meta for the most part, right? When we have to scale, we can go to some other platform, but stick to one platform at first. When you just want to scale one product to over $1 million, stick to one platform. That allows you to be able to learn a lot of things that you can now leverage on other platforms where you are, where you want to scale. Now, let me share with you what this very simple landing page looks like. I call it simple because it can really get complicated, but in this case, it's just from ad to the landing page to them booking a call. So here's what's going to happen. They come over here, come to this landing page. The first thing they're going to be hit with is going to be the headline. And make sure that your landing page is, mobile responsive as well. Make sure it's mobile responsive. So when they come over here, and when it's on mobile, you want to make sure that this right here, they can see the video, before the fold, right? You want to make sure the video, they can see it right here. That's what the mobile version of the landing page looks like. Now, so let's go back. Again, it's just the headline. Lemma award-winning multiple seven-figures team help you install simple AI agent that turns your business into AI automated money-making machine. And the reason why we're starting this way is just want to speak broadly to business owners at first, where a lot of people will say that, why don't you start by targeting one particular business niche, right? In our case, we have over 100 niches, which of course, when you click on the link below this video, you can grab the PDF that shows you all those niches, just in case you want to use them as well. But from my experience, and as someone who's not just starting, I want to get as much data back as possible, because part of the questions we ask them in the back end is going to be the kind of business that they're on. So once we get that feedback, that we can now go ahead and just run specific ad to specific niche. But to start with, this is to all business owners. All of them are almost aware of what AI is right now. And I kid you not, they want AI. Okay, and I'll show you why I said that in a minute from the result we're able to get this month. Okay, so here's the landing page. Next week, I'm going to do a deep dive onto the landing page. But for right now, the common landing page, they see the headline, they're given a button over here to book, and they see a video right here as well. In that video, they can watch if they like, but for the most part, this is very, and we are split testing. Okay, I should let you know that as well. We're split testing the landing page. We're split testing both the design and the copy on two different landing pages. Okay, so just for you to be aware of that. Okay, and do not be lazy not to want to do that. You've got to do it. Okay, so of course they go down here. They have the button for them to schedule a call. If they click on this right here, it brings them to the button where they click to book a call. And of course, we show this more proof here that I'm not just doing this. I have over 8 of these now, right? So, and of course, they read about more. And of course, once they scroll about 2-3 times, what is the action that you really want them to take to book a call? Click on here, it brings them back to where they have to book a call. And of course, it goes all the way down. We have a disclaimer over here. And yes, the call is completely free. They want to see that as well. You're not being charged for this. This is simply an opportunity for us to understand your business and map out the smartest path forward. Here's what I want you guys to do. That is how simple the landing page is right now. In my next video, which is going to come out next week, I want you guys to be on the lookout for that. I'm going to break down the reason why we do what we do on each of the landing pages, and the other landing page that we are split testing, how much we're able to make in January. Or should I just show you how much we made in January right now? Well, let me show it to you. Then we'll do the breakdown, in the next video. Okay, so in January, and again, today's the 2nd of February, which is my birthday, by the way. Happy birthday. Okay, this is how much we're able to make in January. Okay, I'm going to share that with you. In January, if you go over here, we have a dashboard where we track every single thing, but for our data team and the account receivable team, we have this huge Google Sheets where they have to put every single data. Okay, it's gonna say 0 leads over here, but that's not true. Okay, we have another place where reports for the leads, because we've got to capture leads. Okay, and we have different price points as well. We have different price points, as you can see. This $97 price point over here for the month of January, we're able to sell over 46 of it. Okay, brought in this much. We have the $997 price point, just one of that. We have the $297 price point, just 10 of those. We're using this to gauge a lot of things. And again, it's the beginning of the year and this campaign is still very fresh. You don't want to just slap one price point in their face. You've got to test a few things to be able to scale. We have the $47 price point that came in as 6 of them sold. We have this over here. So at the top of the funnel, we brought in $5,459. But here's the deal. At the end of the month, okay, our CPA, which is cost per acquisition, stays at $116.15. Okay, our ad cost for the month of January was $15,369.31, and we brought in $61,259. Okay, and the profit margin for the month of January is $45,889. Would you say that's profitable? Of course, that's about $50,000. And guess what? That's at the top of the funnel, because now we just offer these individuals just AI services. And do not forget that I have a multiple 7-figure digital marketing agency now. We're about to start upselling them on several other things in the back end. And for the AI, not only do they pay us for the installation, they're also going to pay us for maintenance as well. So when you add all of that on top, we actually make more than what you see over here. But just at the top of the funnel, we spent $15,000, $369, $15,369.31. Okay, at the top of the funnel, made $61,259, and we brought in $45,000, $889.69. And in the subsequent videos, I'm going to show you the breakdown of the entire funnel, why we do what we do, what the back end of it looks like, and how we're able to generate almost $50,000 from the top of the funnel in the month of January. And again, in the back of the funnel, because a lot of them, they're coming around with their 30 days, 30 days time. And once they get to their 30 days, they still have to pay us to maintain this service for them. And that's how we're able to make over $83,000, all right, each and every month on this one product. So if you find this very valuable, here's what I want you guys to do. Click on the link below if you want to join my 7-figure AI agency blueprint, where I show you how to start your own AI agency as well. And listen, you don't really have to do much than to understand how the process works and how I'm able to make as much as what I just show you just on one product at the top of the funnel. And I will stack up the back of the funnel as well to ensure that this one product scales to over $1 million in 12 months. Okay, so you can click on the link below the video to get in my mastermind to show you how to do it. Otherwise, just stick here. Just make sure you hit the bell button, so that when I drop the next video, you are going to be informed as well. But again, I should let you know, if there is anything you want to start this year that can ensure that you don't only bring in money every once, but bring money every single month, and several other things you can consider to do with these business owners, because once you treat them right once and you help them make money, you will continue to make money. And if there's anyone who can show you, should be someone who's not only done it for people, who also done it for himself. And just like you follow me on this journey, I'm going to be showing you how we're scaling this one product as well to over $1 million. So click on the link below this video, make sure you subscribe, and do not forget to get a copy of that 100 niches that you can go after. And also, I'm going to be giving you a free PDF that will be showing you how to set all these AI agents up as well. But let's understand how the business works first, and what we do from the top of the funnel, the middle of the funnel, and the back of the funnel to generate these multiple 6 figures each and every single month. So I'll see you in the next video. Again, yours truly, Luqman Branding. Do not forget, by the way, to wish me a happy birthday. If you don't, I'm going to come after you.